Hey everyone, thanks for joining our Nasiol channel. Today we're going to be talking about wheel protection. First, we're going to be talking about MetalCoat F2, which is a protection applied for wheel rims. And then we're going to be talking about Detailershine Pro, which is the protection for tires. Before starting the application process, please be sure to wash and clean and dry the rims and the tire completely. Applying Nasiol MetalCoat is a straightforward and super simple application process. After cleaning and drying, all you have to do is spray. Nasiol MetalCoat retail size comes in 50 milliliters, and we recommend a minimum of 10 sprays per wheel rim. After you have sprayed, wipe it through the rim with the microfiber cloth that came along with the packaging, and that's all. Once the process is complete, the rims will shine, repel water, and clean easily for months to come. Once you have completed the Nasiol MetalCoat application process, now you can apply Nasiol Detailershine to the tires. Just like MetalCoat preparation, wash away any dirt on the surface of the tire might have, and once it dries, you can spray Nasiol Detailershine right onto the tires. After spraying, spread the product throughout the tire using a sponge, and the process is complete. Once completed, Detailershine will provide shine to your tires for many weeks to come.